Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the notes of Class 6 English, The Gift of Nature, question answers, summary and notes. If you want the notes of other lessons or other subject of other class, you can kindly check the playlist of my channel and you can easily get from there. First is pre-reading task, that is the questions which are going to be asked before starting the lesson. Here are the question and answers. You can refer this, you can ask these questions to your children before starting the lesson, and here are the answers for that. Now talking about the test, first main, answer the following questions in a word, a phrase or a sentence. Discuss with your partner and write down what you say. Question A. What is our moral duty? Answer. Our moral duty is to look after the things God has given us. We must learn to take care of the gifts of nature so that these are not destroyed or harmed. We must not use the gifts of nature for our selfish ends, but instead work to preserve them. Question B. Which animals are on the verge of extinction? Answer. Tigers, lions, and some rare species are on the verge of extinction. Question C. Where should we throw waste paper, tins, and bottles? Answer. We should not throw waste papers, tins, and bottles into the river, but outside in a dustbin. What are trees said to be? Answer. Trees are said to be green gold. Question. How can we maintain ecological balance? Answer. We should plant more and more trees to maintain ecological balance in the park and along roadsides. Who are the carriers of pollen? Answer. Bees and butterflies are the carriers of pollen. What is the wonderful handicraft of God? Answer. The moon, the stars, mountains, and seas are the wonderful handicraft of God. Discuss with your partner and write down the answers to the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences each. What are the gifts of nature? Answer. Long range of mountains, the white oceans, the sparkling streams, the dense forest, the animals, birds and insects, colorful flowers, fruits, the earth we live on and the air we breathe are gifts of nature. Question. Why should we not destroy the gifts of nature? Answer. The gifts of nature are ours to admire, use and preserve. So we should not destroy it. Question. There were many more animals than there are today. Why? Discuss. Answer. There were many more animals there are today, but over the years hunters have killed them for sport and food in large number. It is feared that some species may soon become extinct. Today tigers, lions and some rare species are on the verge of extinction. What is water pollution? Answer. Today we are making the ocean dirty by throwing tons and tons of refuse into the rivers and oceans. This is known as water pollution. Give 3 examples of where trees are used in our daily life. Answer. To build houses, to make furniture, firewood for cooking. Why should we put out the campfire before we leave the camp? Answer. To avoid accidental forest fires, we must put out the campfire before we leave the camp. What will happen if you take your pet animals to the garden? Answer. If we take our pet animals to garden, it may step on the flower beds and destroy the plants. Name a few things of nature which gives you inspiration. Answer. The moon, the stars, mountains and seas are a great source of beauty and inspiration to us. Answer the following questions, discuss it with your partner and write down what you say in the form of a paragraph. How can we take care of rare animals? Answer. Over the years, hunters have killed them for sport or food in large numbers. It is feared that some species may soon become extinct. Today, these varieties of animals like lions, tigers and some rare species are on the verge of extinction. If we do not take care of these rare animals, there will soon be none left except in pictures. We must not kill animals and birds for sport. We should also preserve the forest so that the wild animals can thrive and multiply. What steps can be taken to prevent water pollution? Answer. We should not throw tons and tons of refuse into the rivers and oceans. We must be careful when huge oil ships sail in the ocean and avoid accidents. We should not throw waste paper and tins and bottles into the river. When we go for a picnic on the bank of the river, we must avoid washing dirty dishes in the river. Grammar related clauses. Look at these sentences. The giraffe is refusing to eat. Answer. This traffic police women seem to be efficient. The giraffe, which has come from Africa, is refusing to eat. This traffic police woman who works here seems to be efficient. The meaning is clear in sentence A. In both the examples, in sentence B, the underlined words add extra informations. These words form a clause called a relative clause. They begin with relative pronouns which and who. Punctuations, commas, or separate the extra information relative clause from the rest of the sentences. Join the sentences given below using the relative pronoun given in the bracket. Question A. I often go to Mumbai. Mumbai is the commercial capital of India. Answer. Often go to Mumbai, which is the commercial capital of India. My mother is going to host a TV show on cooking. She cooks very well. My mother, who cooks well, is going to host a TV show on cooking. These sports person are going to meet the president. Their performance has been excellent. These sport persons whose performance has been excellent are going to meet the president. Pronunciation. Read the sentences aloud to your partner. It is our responsibility to preserve the gift of nature. Note that word responsibility has stresses responsibility. The secondary stress is weak and the primary stress is strong. Note that in words ending with the spelling ity, the primary stress falls on the third syllable from the end. Writing. Topic: planting sapling. Your teacher will elicit ideas from you. Note down the points and ideas. Use these to write a paragraph on the topic given. Our school has a large area of open ground in front and at the back of our school premises. The front area can be well used for planting trees in the borders. Each class can be allotted 10 beds to plant a sapling of shade, giving trees. Prizes can be announced for the best maintainer. The last period of every day can be used for gardening work. Read the following passage to your partner and write down suitable words in the blanks with his or her help. Today, the day is facing the problem of pollution. We are polluting nature by our foolish acts. It is our duty to preserve the wonderful gifts of nature. We must learn to discipline ourselves in preserving the gift of nature. The gift of nature summary in English. God has given us the most beautiful gift, the gift of nature. Long ranges of mountains, oceans, sparkling streams, dense forests, animals, birds, insects, colorful flowers, fruits, and the earth and even the air we breathe are gifts of nature. It is our moral duty to protect and conserve these natural gifts. Centuries ago, there were many more animals than there are today. Man has hunted down for sport or food. Most animal species are extinct. Lions and tigers and other rare species are now becoming endangered. If they are not protected and conserved, we can see them only in pictures. Oceans are endless expanse of water with countless fishes. Oceans are now becoming polluted by tons of refuse. When huge ships sink in bad weather, the oil pollutes the oceans and kills the aquatic animals. Because they cannot breathe, we should preserve our oceans. Rivers provide clean and useful water. We should avoid polluting our rivers. Trees are green gold. They are very valuable. We cannot live without trees. Trees are necessary to build houses, so it is important for us to plant more trees to maintain ecological balance. We should plant saplings in parks and roadsides and protect them. While trekking in the forests, we must be careful to put off our campfires to avoid accidental forest fires. We should be careful and not pluck flowers in public gardens. Bees and butterflies carry pollen from one place to another and perform an important function in nature. We should not kill them. We must learn to appreciate the beauty of nature and preserve this wonderful handiwork of God. So this is all about your lesson, the gift of nature. As I have told you, if you want the more lessons, you can check the playlist of my channel. Thanks for watching.